Good morning, class, and welcome to day one of your Still Life unit. This video will discuss today's task list and the assignments that need to be completed. So in this project, we're doing something that's called a still life. And a still life is a drawing of found objects that are of interest to you. So artists take these found objects and they arrange them on a table or a flat space, and that they draw them to practice their drawing skills and learn how to draw things in as much realistic detail as possible. Today, the main thing you're going to be doing is assembling your own still life and taking a photograph to send to me. So that way you'll have a basis in which to start from in the next class. But going into today's task list or your overview, our learning goal is to analyze why artists draw from observation, and I just discussed that in the sense that it is a great way to practice your drawing skills. Then the other learning goal is to draw from observation yourself using basic shapes and proportions of objects. Now that's a learning goal that will be more specific to the next class, but that is a goal that we need to be thinking about in the beginning phases of our project. Your central question is, how do artists create work that is pleasing to the eye and engages the viewer? We will be discussing that in the coming days so that you know how to answer that at the end of the unit. And then lastly, vocabulary word for today is still life, which is important since we are, this is the first day of the unit and you're learning what a still life is and how to go about creating one and even drawing one. So I'm going to scroll down just a little bit here. So this gets us to our task list right here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to watch the Still Life ET video. The ET stands for entrance ticket. So you're going to watch the ET video to help with today's entrance ticket questions. All the questions and answers are in that video. It's a short video, so please make sure you watch that. Once you're done that video, you'll complete your entrance ticket just to start the class. You're going to answer what is a still life and how can an artist arrange a still life to be engaging. Again, both of these questions are discussed in the video above, so please make sure you watch that. Then after you've done your entrance ticket, you're going to watch the how to assemble a still life video. That video will discuss some strategies as to how to arrange your objects properly so that you can have a successful looking still life for your photo at the end of the class today. So after you watch that video, you should know exactly what to do for the last assignment, where you are going to arrange a still life of at least 5 objects from around your home and take a photo to save to your iPad. Please make sure you submit this to today's daily progress. I forgot to list that right here, but submit that to today's day one student progress so that I can have a photo on record and that you can have everything you need for class to get started on this project. Then you are going to, discuss right here, make sure you arrange your still life at home using at least 5 objects, and then space your objects close together and just take a photograph that tightly frames everything into the image. That's just a basic, some tips when you're creating it to make sure that they're close together and you take your photo so that it's closely framed on your screen. And all you will need is your iPad, of course, your photo at the end of the class today. All right, I look forward to seeing your photos of your still lives. Please make sure to message me if you have any questions. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing your photos and to see what still life arrangements you guys have come up with. All right, everyone, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.